welcome to my channel. My name is Rhonda and I'm also known as the Sparkly One. If you want to learn how to make these adorable scruffy little flowers, let's go ahead and get started. All you're going to need is your crochet hook, your yarn, and a pair of scissors. Aren't these cute? Got those on Amazon. I'll link them in the description box. They're super sharp, super pointy. I love them. And a yarn needle. That's it. Let's go. I'm going to show you how to make this little flower. I just created this pattern and I thought it was just precious. It's very three-dimensional and I think it's a really easy one. You can applicate it to a hat. You can put it on a pin and make it into a brooch. And it's just super cute. And so I thought it was kind of fun, so I thought you might enjoy it. So you're going to need a pair of scissors and you're going to need your yarn needle and then also some yarn. So I just wanted to share with you that this came from the Rainbow Rhapsody Crimson Poppies. And all I did was take all of the yarn and separate it into different balls of color. And I just used a couple of those colors from this. And then to make this one. And then for this one that I'm going to show you how to make, I took it from the Sugarwheel cotton yarn in Zest Wishes, and I just took those apart and separated them. So I'll show you the yarn ball right here with all the different colors. And so all you're going to do is you're going to have two colors. So you're going to have one for your center and then one for the petals. So for the center on this one, I'm going to use this coral color. And then all you're going to do is you're going to make a magic circle. And so hopefully you know how to do that, but I'll show you in a little bit slower process. So you're going to take the part that just is hanging in your hand that's not attached to the ball. Then you're going to bring this one over the top and then you're going to cross it over. And then you're going to go under this first one and just pull the second one out. And you can kind of let go of it. And then you just take the one that's attached to the ball and you're going to just chain one. So you're going to secure it. And then you can undo this little bit right here for the circle and just make a smaller circle, just like that. Okay, so you're going to want to chain one more. So you have two chains. And then we're going to make a half double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, you're going to go into that circle with a half double crochet, yarn over, and pull through all three. Again, yarn over, insert into the circle, yarn over, pull through all three. So as you can see right here, I have 3 half double crochets. So we want a total of 12. So I'm going to go ahead and put 9 more into this circle. So you're going to yarn over on this last stitch. You're going to go through the center and you're going to, you don't want to pull through on this last one because we're changing colors. So what you do is you take the end of your yarn on the new color and you use that as your pull through, okay, like that. And then what you do is you take your strand that you had and this strand, your new strand, and you're going to start using your new strand. So I'll show you how to do that. We're going to go into the first stitch and we're going to make a slip stitch with our new yellow yarn. And you're going to pull through. So that starts this round. So as you can see, I have these. Don't worry about weaving them in yet. We'll do that later. And the center piece right here, you're going to pull that a little tighter. Okay, so find the end. There we go. This is the short end, and you're just going to pull that center on that orange peach color tight. So as you can see, it's all taken care of right now. Okay, then you're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the second chain from the hook, that's 1 and this is 2, right here, you're going to make a single crochet. And then in the next one, you're going to do a half double crochet. And in the next one, you're going to do 2 double crochets. So that's 1. And then the next one is 2. Okay, just like that. And then you're going to go back to a half double crochet in the next chain. And then in the next one, which is this last one right here, is going to be a single crochet. And then you're going to skip 1. You're going to do a slip stitch into this next half double crochet right there. And then again, you're going to repeat the pattern. So that's going to be a chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're going to repeat the same pattern. Okay, so you're going to do that all the way around until you get right here to this section. So you're going to end up with, let me show you. You're going to have, so I think we have 12 petals here, hopefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your flower is going to have 12 petals. So you're going to have 6 on the round on the outside and then 6 on the inside. So we're doing the outside petals right now. So just go ahead and repeat that process, and once I get right here to this end piece, I'll show you how to continue. Okay, so I'll show you one more time. That's the second chain. I did a single crochet, and the third one you're going to do a half double crochet, and the next one you're going to do 2 double crochets, 1, 2. If you can hear any music in the background, that's my husband playing his guitar. So I apologize for that, but it sounds good to me. And then the next one, you're going to do a half double crochet. And in this next one right here at the bottom is a single crochet. And again, you're going to skip 1 and do a slip stitch in the next half double crochet. So there's the outside petals. You're going to have 6 of those, so just repeat until you get right here to the starting point, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay. And then you're going to join at the base of this first one. Now if you like this look, which is kind of just a big open flower, you can leave it. And if you want to change colors here, you're more than welcome to do that again, but I'm not going to change colors, and I'm going to continue with the same color in yellow. So now what you're going to do is you're going to chain 6. So this starts the second round of petals. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then again, you're going to do the same exact pattern that you did on the first round. So let me go ahead and get that petal finished. Okay, so you're going to want to go back into the same spot right here, and you're going to do a slip stitch into that space, because that keeps it in between the petal. And then I'm going to slip stitch right underneath the base of this one, because I'm going to work across to that other side. So I just want to do 1 slip stitch here, and then 1 more into the center section between the 2 petals. So that 1 stitch like that. And then I'm going to just do my chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to work my petals all the way around in that same manner. And as you can see, this is what it will look like. Let me just pull this yarn. It's all baggy right here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so far so good. So just go ahead and continue around until you have a petal in between each one. And don't forget, you're going to slip stitch right here into the same space, slip stitch into the one below the petal, and then right here into this next one, because that will get you around to the middle. Okay, so I'm at the end and I'm just slip stitching to the last petal. And you're going to pull up your yarn, pull on the petals and just straighten them out because they've been kind of curled up right here. So you can just help to shape it. Okay, just like that. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's adorable. So see, you can make it any size you want. And this one, you know, I didn't uncurl these. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to cut your yarn. And then you can get rid of all of these ends, these yarn balls. Whoops, I didn't cut that one. Okay, just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to just weave in all of your ends with the yarn needle. Also, when you're weaving in your ends, keep in mind what you're going to use it for, because if you want to, you could use this tail to sew it directly on a hat or a jacket or whatever you want. Don't cut your ends if you want to sew it to something. All finished. Look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? I love it.